Honey, there's a baby here. That's a surprise. We can't just leave her outside. Get the stroller. Baby Yodas could fly. We're almost ready for blast-off. The astronauts are preparing for a big mission. Let's go. The diaper won't change itself. We put our flag on the moon. Dad, I want a picture in an astronaut suit. Fine. Smile.
Huh?
No, that's no good. Come with me. You ready? Just glue a picture of space to the washing machine door. Now sit close to it and look out of the window. That's better. NASA's full of life hacks like this. This is the spaceship, Dad, Mom, and me. I'll add a couple more stars. And a black hole.
Huh?
What's going on? Oh no! This black hole is going to eat us! Dad, help! Quick, draw something else. But use this rocket marker. Cut rocket pieces out of foam paper. Cut the clip off a marker and glue the rocket on. Color the tip with a different marker. Thanks, Dad! I can control my arm using my mind. Everyone can do that. Did you see that? The first kid in space. That's possible? I have an idea. Let's start training. We need to get used to zero-G. Launching simulator now. How do you feel? Awesome! Ready for takeoff. We did it! Close enough. Shower time! The aliens are here! Dad! Why are you yelling? This is just a face mask. Oh, makes sense. My space cakes are done. I just have to make some tea. Whip some cream. Add food coloring. And decorate some pre-made cupcakes. Add silver edible glitter. I want to try! They're mine! These aliens are so greedy! Dad, save some for me! Here! You know, eating too much sugar is bad for you! I love this movie!
Huh?
We're out of chips! Sweetie! There you are! Your mission is, bring me chips! No! Yes! You won't be alone! I'll get you ready! Houston, come in! Coming through loud and clear! Initiating Spacewalk now! This is one small step for a girl and one giant leap for mankind! Her dad is hungry at home! I hope this is enough! Why is it taking so long? Mission accomplished! Thanks, kiddo! Time to brush my teeth! Did we get new toothpaste? Cut a toothpaste tube along the seam. Clean it out. Add food coloring to honey. Add edible glitter. Transfer it to the tube. Seal it through the parchment paper with a flat iron. Attach a sticker. Put it in the freezer. What are you doing? This is space food, and this is the toothpaste. Toast for breakfast again? I hope it'll taste better with this space food. It just looks like normal toothpaste.
Huh?
Stop! Sweetie, you got mixed up again. This is the toothpaste, and this is the space food. That really is yummy. I have a space tongue. You sure do. Stupid tights! Mom, I don't want to wear these boring tights.
Huh?
Boring, huh? I have an idea. You don't like these tights? No. So let's make them exciting. Using this moonstone. Turn on the machine and wait. Done! How you like that?
Wow!
Draw stars on thick nylon tights, using cardboard so the fabric paint doesn't bleed through. Add more constellations using acrylic contour paint. Wow! I want to wear them! Mom, these are my favorite tights! Let's have oatmeal! Why? We have chips! Nobody move! This is a robbery! Jen, do something! Shine a light at my purse! That's what it's for! Cover a plastic half sphere with sequin ribbons using hot glue. Make 2 pieces and connect them with a piece of sparkly fabric. Make a clasp out of buttons and a hair tie. Attach a chain as a handle. Cover cardboard half ring pieces with sparkly fabric. Glue them to the purse. My eyes! Ha! We blinded him! And me! The other way! What happened here? Sweetie, where are you? Your room is a mess.
No.
Clean up. I don't wanna. Oh yeah? I'm not cleaning for you. Me neither. We can calm down using a Poppet, but Mom's is made out of chocolate. Melt white chocolate chips. Add different food colorings. Brush chocolate into a disinfected Poppet. Make a few different shades. Sprinkle edible glitter on top. Pour in the rest of the chocolate. Once it hardens, remove it from the mold and package it. The Poppet is edible? I want some! Oh no! This is a chocolate Poppet! You can have some when your room is clean! Fine! Dad! Get to work! Dads can do the impossible for their daughters! My room is clean! Can I have chocolate now? It really is! Did you like our new video? Then comment below and tell us if you'd want astronaut parents. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.